Hello everybody, this is Dr. Shilpa Hakki, Classic Mrs. India Karnataka 2019. Mrs. India finalist, yes. Soon I'm going to represent my state for finals at national level in Chennai. But how can Mrs. India be complete without getting into her excellence in cooking? Here today I am in my home at Dharwad to represent food connection with family. Yes, food connect is one of the important themes which Mrs. India Pageants production have continued through years together. I am going to today cook one of the favorite dishes of my family, that is Magic-E Masala Paneer Pulav. So let's start with the food connect theme of Mrs. India Pageants production, where I am going to cook Magic-E Masala Paneer Pulav. Let's start. So taking name of Sri Ganesha, let us start for the cooking. What all I need, I'll just be oil is hot. Let's start. Tadka, Indian tadka, one of the important part of our Indian tradition. This will add on to the common tadka. Masala-E. You may not smell, we are just enjoying the smell. Saute it for some while. Paneer is been added because this is not just plain masala pulav, but it is paneer pulav. Will another 2 minutes will continue sorting. Now we are going to add the most important ingredient, that is Masala-E-Magic. Maggie's Masala-E-Magic, which gives taste to all different food recipes. To add on, can add some lemon juice, vitamin C to the recipe. This is properly sauteed. At last, I am going to put the soaked rice. Come home to get the taste of this beautiful recipe. I take this opportunity to thank Mrs. India Pageants production. Thank you.